Because the current situation concerning Cara Delevingne has reached a critical stage, all of her family and friends are becoming increasingly concerned about her well-being. It all started with some disturbing images of the model conversing on the phone outside of Van Nuys Airport while she was shoeless and appeared to be lost in her surroundings. These photographs were the spark that ignited the firestorm. Cara Delevingne has been quite candid with the media about the problems she has endured over the years, including her battles with addiction to drugs and her thoughts of taking her own life at various points. On the other hand, if we take into account her romantic engagement with Amber Heard, we may even add another dimension to all of her problems. There are a lot of stories that contradict one another regarding the purported sexual relationship that took place between Cara Delevingne and Amber Heard when Amber was still married to Johnny Depp. These stories concern the time period in which Cara and Amber were both seeing other people. On the other hand, it would appear that there's a relationship between the two of them that is significantly more complicated and profound than that. After the breakup, I'm going to talk about how Cara Delevingne unintentionally revealed Amber's shady behavior in this video. The author of a gossip blog by the name of Jessica Reed Krause asserts that Amber and Cara Delevingne were involved in more than just a romantic relationship with one another. In addition to this, they arranged sex parties in Hollywood, which were attended by a significant number of billionaires and tech moguls. According to Amber Heard's account of the events that took place, which were published on Substack, Cara Delevingne was allegedly one of the countless notable females who she introduced to her wealthy clients. There is photographic proof that the model was present on these occasions. This writer does not have any major confirmation that Cara was involved in these parties. Nonetheless, there's picture evidence that Cara was present. Consumption of alcoholic beverages, as well as illegal substances, has always been a factor, and this is a key contributor to the issues that Delevingne is currently dealing with as a result of her behavior. In a direct manner, Krause accuses Amber Heard of being the one who introduced Cara Delevingne to heavy drugs on these occasions. The events in question took place in 2013. Her current predicament has not been improved in the least by the fact that her name has been dragged through the mud in the legal dispute between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. In a video that was taken in an elevator inside Amber Heard's apartment building, both of the actresses can be seen making out with each other. This video serves as evidence that the two were at the very least having an affair when Amber was still married to Johnny Depp. It is impossible to know the whole amount to which this affected Cara, but it most certainly did not help her in any way, shape, or form. Since the trial took place, there have been reports that Delevingne has been ghosting Amber. These rumors claim that despite the fact that the two were obviously intimately engaged, Delevingne has not picked up any of Amber Heard's calls and has not responded to any of Amber's texts. An online influencer is now disclosing facts about the sex parties that were thrown by the Aquaman actress, as well as how she reportedly blackmailed Elon Musk. This follows the publication of 6,600 pages worth of papers that expose Johnny Depp. If you would like more information, please keep watching. It is not a secret that Amber and Johnny used to throw parties, nor is it a secret that drugs played a large role in these gatherings. Both of these facts are common knowledge. Recent defamation litigation that the couple was involved in is bringing the light to the fact that on the night of their wedding, there was also a substantial amount of illegal substances. Despite this, it seems that there was a large amount of sexual activity that took place while everyone was celebrating. Internet influencer Jessica Reed Krause, who publishes her content on website Substack under the name House and Habit, has informed her audience about a sponsored news bulletin that she has read. It is speculated that it includes all of the dirt that has been kept under wraps regarding Amber Heard. And it isn't her allegations that are being revealed, but rather the experiences that the actress from Aquaman is said to have had with her former pals. These are the stories that were told to the writer. According to the email, Amber Heard is accused of hosting raucous parties in Los Angeles that featured copious doses of MDMA, booze, and sexual encounters. The gatherings were thrown by Amber Heard. They were joined at the celebration by a number of other people, including her ex-partner Tasha Van Ree and Cara Delevingne, amongst others. In addition, it has been said that Amber used the threat of physical force to pressure her purported ex-boyfriend, Elon Musk, into footing the cost of her recent defamation action against Johnny Depp. The case was brought against Johnny Depp for allegedly spreading rumors about Amber. The head of Tesla is said to have been routinely recorded by the actress while he was at parties, and the actress is now in possession of some harmful information about him. Amber Heard had little trouble making friends with the other people who attended the party, since she has a knack for bringing in other young, usually lesbian, struggling actresses. This is one of the reasons why she was invited to the party. Gia said in the newsletter that she, Amber Heard, and Elon Musk would routinely engage in scandalous behavior on those occasions. The identity of the person who made the statement is unknown. In the newsletter, Gia was only known by her alias and not by her real name. She proceeded by talking about Heard, who had previously been married to Johnny Depp, and she said, "But oh yeah, she's actually a total monster, and if she hasn't already, I have no question in my mind that Heard will kill someone at some point." And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.